Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So this is going to be the dollar yen setup and analysis. But before going to look at that, if anyone want to join us, just simply go to wave-share.com, check the membership levels, fill that form if you are looking for further information. So now let's get back to the dollar yen. All right. So this is the previous video analysis where we were expecting, average number on non-farm payroll and dollar yen to continue to keep dragging lower. Okay, but we got tremendous numbers. All right, so no one was expecting those numbers, and we got a big jump on the dollar against the yen. All right, and market started to price in for for higher Fed fund rates. Okay, now let's get back to this chart. Okay, this is what we were expecting in the previous setup. All right, so price to hold that and then drop, or slightly a bigger one and break out. So we haven't got that breakout. All right, and price simply went for a strong bullish leg higher on the dollar yen. All right, and then we were expecting this move happened. Okay, we didn't got the breakout. The next leg higher appeared, and then we got a gap over there over the weekend, and then price started to break down after having that gap. So we are still looking for the dollar yen to continue to keep dragging lower all the way up to 125, or in best case scenario go up to 120. Right, so 125 target going to be first, and then in longer term continue to keep dragging lower, medium to longer term. All right, so 120. Okay, and we got that breakdown after having that jump on the dollar yen after because of the non-farm payroll numbers. Okay, we got a nice decent sell-off opportunities over there after that breakout after the Fed Paul's speech. All right, J Paul's speech. So we got a sell-off on the dollar, and now price is just simply correcting over there in that 4-hour time frame. So there you are looking for the next opportunity. Yeah, this correction to break down and continue to keep dragging lower. So setup is very much simple. Now, okay, price slightly went above those moving averages this time. Okay, we were expecting that to happen. All right, so we were expecting that to happen on dollar yen. Okay, so let me bring that chart. But we were expecting price to do that after hitting the 25. Let me bring that picture. So we were expecting this to tag that 125 and then go for a bigger one correction. Okay, that the daily one, which is just happening right now. So this is the daily one right now, and then price to drag lower. So I'm going to bring that picture. So there you go. And there you go, that picture. So we were expecting dollar yen to hit the 25 and then go for that bigger correction, very much similar like this oil chart. The price, went for that daily correction without hitting that. That's the difference. Okay, it went for that bigger daily. This is actually a daily correction. It's turned into a daily correction. So there we were expecting it to tag 25 and then go for a bigger, daily correction. But price, already started to fall over there from that previous top. Okay, so it is still in a daily correction, we can say that, but we are looking at to just continue to keep dragging lower. First, you are looking at to break down and tag this low, all right, where it was before the non-farm payroll, 128, and in best case scenario continue to keep dragging lower all the way up to 125. Okay, so price should not close above this top. Okay, this top, I'm going to put a box over there. So this top price should not close above this top. It should remain below that gap. All right, so there is a gap. This is the gap, so which we have seen over the weekend. That's the gap. Price should not close above that gap, right? That's the gap. So I'm gonna go to the lower time frame and gonna look at that. So price is already trying to break down that flag. We can say that it's already trying to break down that flag. Okay, so if I'm gonna You're looking for this to break down and continue to keep dragging lower, or price to go back, hold that top, and continue to keep dragging lower. So you're looking this to continue to keep falling aggressively to the downside, specifically during the CPI numbers in USA. All right. So if CPI numbers are going to be surprised to the downside significantly, yes, then we may see, you know, sharp breakdown of this previous low. And if CPI number is going to be average, not going to surprise to the downside, okay, then price may not fall very aggressively. So, but we are expecting it to fall very aggressively and continue to keep pushing lower all the way up to 125 target. All right. So hope that makes sense. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye.